What's up? Today we're going to be learning how to make salmon. So, first off, this is not the only way. There's a couple ways you can make it. You can use aluminum foil or straight on the grill. We're going to show you how to do straight on the grill. So first, so that it doesn't stick, if you're doing straight on the grill, so that it, also, if you want, you can do skin on. And if you do the skin side first with skin on, then it will be the skin will be more tender. So here we go. So you're gonna grab oil and brush it just like this. If you're doing it on aluminum foil, just skip this step, but this is so that it doesn't stick to the grill. So then flip it, dip it in, and brush. Then, once you got it decently oiled, do the next one.
Dad, tell me how I put it in. Dad, tell me how I put it in.
So the oil, next, we're gonna use sea salt, pepper, and for a little bit extra, we're gonna use lemon pepper, just to add some flavor. So. I don't want much because we're doing lemon pepper. Don't forget to get the sides.
Daddy.
Once you got it all in, we'll do the next one. Then we do salt. You want to get it decently covered. Make sure not to add too much, like me. Then just rub it all in. And last, lemon pepper.
Dad. Daddy. Dad.
So flip it.
Daddy. Dad.
Now rub it all in. Next one, and then we'll move to the grill. Okay, so that's it, and I'll see you at the grill. So, these are inch-thick salmon fillets, and these can cook for about 6 to 10 minutes in total. I like mine a little bit more pink on the inside, so we're gonna put them in for 3 minutes on each side for a total of 6 minutes. Oh, and by the way, so we are doing it at about medium heat. You can do it at higher heats if you want, but I would recommend medium. And then we'll see you with the finished product. Alright, so we're gonna make some sauce to put on top of it while we're still timing. So this is just melted butter, that's all that is. And then we're gonna take a small spoonful of garlic. Just plop that in there.
Let's lamb chop.
And then
On like a TV show or you out.
we're gonna
It's very old.
add some lemon.
It's in the 1950s.
That's our first lemon done. And then we'll stir.
He was popular in the 1950s.
He was. And then we'll see you guys there. So, we've done 3 minutes on each side. So, okay, just a little piece broke off. Wait, can I have this? So we'll get the rest. Now I'll see you guys inside. Alright, so this is the finished product. And that's the little butter sauce that we made. So first I'm gonna try a piece without the butter sauce. It's delicious. It's kind of sweet, a little salty. And now I'll put a little bit right there. And then cut it. Oh yeah, and then I'll show you guys the inside. So yeah, that's a little pink, I'd say. Now I put a little bit of the garlic sauce right there. Let's try. Oh gosh. It's good. The fish is like salty and a little lemony. And it's kind of chewy too, it's good. And then the sauce, I don't know how to describe it, but all I'm gonna say is that stuff's good. Make sure to try it and I'll see you guys later.